Here I'm Alfan Rizki, and here I will uh, present my thesis about about learning moral values through movie for high school student vocabulary achievement. First, my name is Alfan Rizki with name 20530032. And the first one is chapter 1, introduction. The background of the study is vocabulary is the most basic part of the language. The higher person education should be the more vocabulary he or she has. The more vocabulary a person has, the more competent that person is in communicating. Mastery of vocabulary as a material for one communication should be developed through life. This is because language is always evolving. And for B, scope and limitation of the study, the scope of this research is any discussion about movie, moral value, and vocabulary. The limitation of is on the discuss about the implementation of moral value in the vocabulary by the movie. For C's research question is how effective of using moral values in movie as learning media to improve student vocabulary achievement. And D, the objective of the study based on research question. Thus, the objective of this research is explaining how the moral values in the movie can improve student vocabulary achievement. Significance of the study based on the subject, there are three significance for the student, for the teacher, and for the researcher. The definition key of terms vocabulary. Vocabulary means a list or collection of words and phrases usually alphabetically arranged and explained or defined. Two, movie. Movie means a recording of moving image that tells a story that people watch on a screen or television. Moral values. Moral values are key component of a person character. Learning media is defined as a tool in the form of physical and non-physical used by teacher in conveying material to students to be more effective and efficient. For the chapter 2, this is the theoretical basics for the vocabulary. And this is the learning media that I use. The media I use is movie. Here, there are several types. The first one is text. The second is audio. The third is visual. The fourth is movement. The fifth is real object. And the sixth is people. And C is movie. There are a few genres of movies. And the first one is action. Second is comedy. The third one is horror. The fourth one is sci-fi. The fifth is romance. And the sixth is thriller. And this is the advantage and disadvantage of using movie as learning media. And this is the review of the related study. I use Fatima City study and RS Kurahman study. And this is the conceptual framework. The assumption based on research questions that have been formulated by the researcher, it is assumed that the moral value in the movie can improve student vocabulary achievement. And the third is and the Last is chapter 3, the research method approach of the study. I use qualitative research in here, and I use content analysis in here, narrative narrative analysis for the paper, and this is the data and source of the data collection, data analysis, and last is data validity. This is the reference that I have, and that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.